Hey, welcome to this YouTube video where we are going to see how to recreate videos in this style. Probably you have seen this YouTube video that has been showing up on YouTube lately and it has been quite famous and it's getting a lot of attention. So we are going to see how to recreate this poly 3D style of videos using just one tool and using AI. So to recreate these videos, if you haven't seen them, I'm going to show you quite fast, which is the style of the videos that we are going to try to copy.
Savannah faced every mother's worst nightmare. The man in custody? He wasn't a stranger to pain, raised in violence, beaten by his own mother.
Great. So this is the style of the videos that we are going to try to recreate, this 3D style, characters, polymorphic style, like 3D documentaries. And we will be using just one tool. To recreate this style, it can be quite complex if we use tools like DaVinci Resolve, like they show us in this YouTube video. You can try to do it. I recommend you that you watch this YouTube video, it's quite good. But at the end, I'm going to go with the more straightforward way and doing it faster and without having to worry about learning 1000 different tools and having to spend like 20 hours to just create one video. So I will be using videotok.app or videotok.ai. You can go to that page and you will see that with this AI tool, you can recreate any kind of videos with AI. To use this tool, in the box description of this video, I will leave you with a special discount. And at the end of the video, I will show you how you can use videotok.app also. And at the end of this video, I will show you how you can get some credits to use videotok.app. If you want to use the tool, don't hesitate to try the code that you can find in the box description. To use Videotok, you can sign in or sign up if you haven't an account yet. I already have an account, so I'm going just to click on create or sign in. After that, we will see this page where we can see that we can create faceless videos or UGC videos or talking avatars. In this case, we are going with faceless videos because it's the style of the videos that we are going to be recreating. And here on the right, we can see all the videos that we have created or that are generating right now, and on the left is where all the magic happens because it's where we can give all the instructions to Videotok to create the videos. So here we have three options: AI script, your script, or upload audio. With AI script, we can give different instructions and Videotok will generate the script and the image prompts for us and will generate the full video. With your script, we can paste our own script or we can click on audio and we can upload our own voice to use in the video. I'm going with AI script and I'm going with this style. So I want to recreate this style of images and with these prompts. So poly 3D image, dark documentary style of a policeman trying to find the criminal in a board, etc. So we can recreate this style of videos, and here is where we will say, okay, generate a poly 3D documentary style video and images about a policeman trying to investigate a murder in Chicago. Then I will say start all the image prompt, start all the images with this style of prompt, and then I would paste my prompt. This is quite good because I wanted to start all the prompts with this style, and then you can change the situation and everything. The AI will know how to do it. Then on the left also we can select which is the aspect ratio of our video, so if it's going to be vertical or horizontal, the duration of the video, the media style. So I recommend you to try Google Imagen 3 or the GPT image medium or high. These are the best AI models. You can try also with the other models, but these ones are the ones that gave better results for this style of video. So we are going for the polymorphic 3D style. These are the better ones. Then we can select how many images we want and which is the voice that we want in our video. Then we would click on generate video. So I would click here on generate video. And then when I click on generate video, Videotok is going to create the script and the image prompts for my video. So here we have all the script that we can modify, change, tweet shorter, etc. So here I can modify my script, etc. Then I could click on next and it will generate all the images that are going to appear in our video. Great, so here we have all the image prompts and we can modify them also, and we can see which is the video section where they will appear. So with this prompt, videotok will generate an image for each section of the video, and then we can go to the bottom and click on create video to start generating. Then we will see that the video will appear to be generating here on the right, and once the video is ready, we can see the open video. Like for example, I already created this one, we can open it and we can watch the video and start modifying it. Great, so here we can see in the timeline the different images that have been added to the video, and then we can modify everything. So we can modify which is the image movement that we want in the video. Also, if we don't want any image movement. Also, we can go to the media tab here and we can see all the images, like for example this one, the first one. I could upscale the image or add motion to it, so I could select which is the better model that I want and which is the movement that I want, and then I would click on add motion and I will see the video here, and I would just have to click on the video and drop it on the image. So I change the image for the video, and then we can add transitions. So here, for example, I could add these transitions to my video and leave it some ones empty. I could add backgrounds to the images. I could change then the image layout in front of it. I could change the speed also of the video, and we can do more things, like for example going to the subtitles and changing the visible captions. We can change music for the video. We can add effects, sound effects to the video. We can regenerate the voice if we don't like it, or we can go to the publish tab, click on YouTube or Reels, click on generate, and now videotok generates the title, the descriptions, the hashtags for our video. So we'll just have to copy and paste it inside YouTube, so we don't have to think on all the hashtags and everything. That videotok does it for us. So we are going to watch it quite fast without modifying more things, so just having to see which is the general videotok generation.
Jake, a college dropout who turned $200 into a six-figure business reselling sneakers from his front yard. He started by flipping limited edition Jordans on weekends, doubling his money with each sale. His driveway became famous as Sneaker Street, attracting collectors from neighboring states. Then one day, Nike's CEO showed up incognito, bought 3 pairs, and offered Jake a job designing exclusive drops. Now he creates limited editions that sell out in minutes, while still running his resale empire from the same front yard where it all began.
Great. With this style, I chose the lowest AI model. So you can see that sometimes the lowest AI models, depending on the model, some images don't have all the coherence or all the same style that we want to have. So in this case, if we have some images that we don't like, we can click on the media tab, click on generate, and recreate some images. Like for example, I could just copy this one just to try it, and then I would remove the dark, and then of a blonde guy who is selling Nike sneakers in the yard of his home. And then we can choose other models, like for example I could choose this GPT image medium, click on generate image, and we can see now that the image is generating. So once the image has been generated, we can change it for the part in the video that we want to modify it. Also, we can go to somewhere in the timeline and do shorter when the image starts, do longer when the other image finishes. So these things we can modify them as we want. And I'm going to show you also a style of the video where this policeman trying to find it with a better AI model. So here, for example, we can see that the image has been generated. We can open it and we can see this other image. So we can replace it where we want in our video and it will be ready. And once the video is ready, we can export it and watch it. Great, so here we can see that the other video that I was generating with the biggest model has been generated also. So we can open it and we can watch it to see which is the difference between the models and the style. So what I'm going to do is just speed up a little bit the video, 1.1, add some transitions to the video, and then I'm going to change also the image movement to this TikTok one. Then I will animate also some images. So for example, I would go to the media tab, and here I can get the first image, that is this one, add motion to it. So here I would choose just the basic model, the AI one, and here I would say, okay, crash, zoom out, and then add motion to the scene. And then I would go to the second scene, that is this one with the board. So this one, and here I can say, okay, the board focuses on the center and highlights it. So here I can add the motion to this one also. So here I can go image by image, adding the motion that I want to my video. And once the videos has been generated, I can just drag and drop it over the image. So we are going to see it first just with the image. I'm going to add some music here. Then this music, let's check it. So yeah, I'm just going to check this music, and then we can change the captions, we can change the subtitles, everything we want, but let's watch it. Just what Videotok gives you from the beginning.
Cargo detective has been staring at the murder board for 72 hours straight. Detective Mike Lawson, a 15-year veteran, is hunting a killer who's claimed 3 victims in the South Side. Coffee cups litter his desk as he connects red strings between crime scene photos. The victims share no obvious connection: a teacher, a bus driver, and a nurse. Yet the killer's signature is unmistakable. Single playing card left at each scene. The security footage shows only shadows, figure in black moving through alleys in the dead of night. Lawson follows a lead to an abandoned warehouse where he discovers a makeshift shrine with newspaper clippings of the murders. He's close now, tracking phone records, interviewing witnesses who describe a man with a distinctive limp. The breakthrough comes when ballistics matches a gun from a robbery 10 years ago. Lawson races to an apartment complex, warrant in hand, heart pounding, only to find it empty.
Yeah, so this is what Videotok creates from the beginning. So there is a big difference between the AI models that you choose to generate them with, but you will be able to generate awesome videos using Videotok. So remember, in the box description, you will find a discount to use the tool, and also in the box description, you will find a way that explains you how to get some credits so you can test the tool. If you want to use the better models, you will have also to choose one of the subscriptions that Videotok offers you. So that discount, I'm sure that you will be able to use it really well. So let's go to the media tab and see the videos that have been generated from the images. Like for example, this one, we can see that it applies this zoom out. So we can choose also this one, apply it here, and then we will
Cargo
have
detective has been staring at the
also
murder board for
that
72
style.
hours straight. Detective Mike Lawson, a 15...
So for example, so I could come here, delete the item, and then I could do the video a bit longer so we can check it better.
Cargo detective has been staring at the murder board for 72 hours straight. Detective Mike Lawson, a 15-year
And we
veteran,
can
is
do
hunting
the
a
same
killer.
with all the images that we want to modify. So hope you like it. I'm going just to download this video, and we can remove also the image movement and everything. So hope you like it. Please give me a comment, give me a like, share this video with anyone that you think that this video will be useful for. And please let me know in the comments which other styles would you like that I copy and recreate using only the AI. So see you in the next video.